guys, welcome back to my channel, and I can say that I finally fell under the pressure of the micro twist. Guys, I struggled so much not to do this, but here I am trying to make my own micro twist myself at home. If you're interested in this video, do not skip any part because I'm going to try to be as detailed as possible. I have a video of something similar to this, like the crochet type, but I've seen requests of can you do it on your head, blah blah blah. But now I am doing it for you guys. So briefly, I'll show you guys the products that I will be using. My hair is very clean. I just had a wash day, and I'm also going to let you guys know how many hours I spent and all of that. So my hair is washed. It has been washed, it has been deep conditioned, and also I use my go-to leave-in conditioner, this particular one from Mega Growth. So my hair is very soft, and of course this is shrinkage, like it shrinks. So I'm going to use these two combs for parting, and I want to try to do like the gridlock pattern, not the free pattern. Hopefully I'm able to do that considering the length of my hair. And my hair is well dried out now because I do not blow dry my hair. So the extension I will be using is this Kinky twist from Lush extension, and it is in the, it's called Extra Bouncy, and it's in color 1. This is what it looks like. And as you guys can see, that it actually has like something like the hairstyle that we are going for, but a bigger size in front. I don't know if one of this is going to be enough for me, but I am starting with one of these, and this retails for 1,400 naira here in Abuja. So this is what it looks like. Hopefully it gives me the result I am looking for. If you also haven't, I made this on my sister's hair, and I actually used a different extension, so I'm going to see if the extension is going to give you a different look. But I will show you guys now to see what it looks like and what it feels like. So this is what it looks like, and this is how it is packed. And from what I can tell, I feel like this texture is the same thing with the one I used for my sister, but I am trying to go for like, I don't want something too long so that I'll be able to let it down, and I also don't want something too short so that I'll be able to pack it. So I am prepping the extension by cutting it into 4 for the back part, so that it gives me the desired length that I want. The thing is, if you're using kinky extension, it gets to stretch as you're braiding or as you're twisting, just the way our hair shrinks, and it gets longer when we braid or when we twist. So if you want a longer look, you might go for into 3 or into 2, but I started with into 4 for the back, then the middle into 3, then the upper part, I think, yeah, I did into 2. If you keep watching up until the end, you would see it. And this is me just trying to do the back side on camera, so let's watch.
In my veins, I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. And I'm up up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.
So basically what I do is take my extension, braid it from the root as you guys can see in the video, and I braid it like, depending on the length of your hair, I do like 3 to 5 steps of braid. Then I split my hair into 2 on both sides of the extension and I start twisting down. So I make sure my twist is loose so that the curl pattern of the kinky twist does not stretch out, and basically that is just it. Like, it is that simple. It is very, very time consuming, I am not going to lie. If you watch up until the end, you know how many days it took me to finish this. Guys, it's been 5 nights since I started making my hair and we are finally coming to an end. I'm so excited because I'm finally going to finish this hair today. This morning, like, I am going to finish it this morning. So this is the part that is left, and this is the part where I am going to show you guys a close-up tutorial of how I pick it from the roots and how I twist it. So now I want to try to get like a center part because I want to be able to style it like this, because you guys know that your sister does not have edges. At least not yet, and I don't think I would ever have it because it's probably the way my hairline is set up, and the earlier I accept that, the better for everybody. So I'm going to do a center part on camera now and show you guys how I like film, how show you guys how I do this. And I'm so excited that I have been able to do all of this by myself. So when I finish, I'm going to count how many strands of twist I have on. I'm going to count how many strands. That is, by the way, this is just plain water, nothing is inside. Also, if you're in Abuja or anywhere close by and you know where I can get abunu leaves, I don't know if that's the correct pronunciation, I'll put a spelling on the screen. If you know where I can get it, or if you sell it and you are watching this video, please kindly reach out to me. I want it. I want to use it for something. I want to try it. So I think I used too much water and I don't have a towel close by. So we are going to try to get a center part. This is not the comb I should be using. I know I have 2 of this, but I can't find it. This one, the tip is not straight. Well, I'll try to work with it. Are we good? Are we good? I don't think so. think this is fair enough. Fair enough. Okay, this should work. So I'm going to braid down one part now. So now that I've braided like a bit, I'm now going to take my hair and split it into two this way and start twisting. So I make my twist loose so that I don't straighten out the curl. Finally done. I will calculate the amount of time that I used and leave it on the screen. And I didn't finish the whole extension, so I am left with 1.5. So now I'm just going to style it on camera. Guys, I am so excited. Like, I think I might carry this up till next month. Today is 7th of June. Today is 7th of June. So I started on Friday. Today is 7th of June. So first I'm going to spray the entire hair from my roots, from my scalp to the body with this water. So I also want to, I have a camera in front of me, and I have a mirror in front of me, and that is what I am looking at. I also want to trim the tip because I don't want to coil it. If you have seen the tutorial of the one I did for my sister, the curl, but I don't want to coil it. I don't want to coil my own. So before trimming, I'll go in with my leave-in conditioner, and I'll be concentrating mostly on my, like, where my hair is, so basically my scalp. Is it painful? Absolutely no. Probably because I made it myself, so I know when to release the grip and when to increase the grip. So it's not painful at all, and it feels very light, very light. It is very light, guys. It feels like I have absolutely nothing on my head, but we do know I have something on my head. So now that the entire extension and my hair is soft, let me move you guys back a bit and move back a bit. So now I am going to trim the tips. I can't wait to start receiving compliments. So you guys should drop compliments in the comment section. Compliment me in the comment section. Go ahead and compliment me. And I also can't wait to start telling people, oh, when people say your hair is nice, I start saying, oh, thank you, I made it myself. Oh, thank you, I made it myself. Oh, thank you, I made it myself. That feeling is very beautiful, guys. I don't have anything to go and do outside today, but I'm going to make sure that I take a walk so that I can receive compliments, and I'm not going to test car so that I can front it and I'll just do like this. Everyone tell me, oh yeah, it's nice. Oh, thank you. Actually appreciate when people compliment my hair, because I know how much it takes me to make my hair. So I'm not sure I mentioned the price of the extension at the beginning. I bought the extension for 1,400 naira, and this is what it is looking like, guys. Let me show you guys back. Oh. I absolutely can't get enough of this hair, guys. If you guys want me to share, definitely, it's not even if you guys want me to, I will share a few video of how I'll be caring for my hair, because this is like a long protective hairstyle. I also will share with you guys like how to keep it safe, how to reduce tangling and all of that. You guys should just subscribe and keep tuned, like stay tuned to this channel. I'm going to have a lot of amazing content regarding my micro twist coming to you guys. And that will be the end of this video, guys. Honestly, I'm so excited. And if you watched up until this point, drop me a compliment in the comment section. Tell me well done, tell me you look nice, tell me something nice, okay? Be truthful. If it doesn't look nice, let me know. I'll see you guys in my next video.